Hello, respected viewers. I hope you are all good. Welcome back to Art of Decor. We share awesome ideas to decorate your life easier. Here are simple and artistic modern wall art ideas to decorate your home with latest living standard styles. In this video, I can show you some different modern DIY wall art ideas to decorate your room with best wall art designs. I am going to tell you some benefits of DIY projects. Personalized expression. Modern DIY wall art allows you to express your unique creativity and personality through your home decor. You can create pieces that reflect your style and taste, making your space truly one of a kind. Second, cost effective. DIY wall art can be budget friendly alternative to expensive artwork by using readily available materials and your creativity. You can achieve stunning results without breaking the bank. Customization. With DIY wall art, you have the freedom to customize every aspect of your creation. You can choose the color, pattern, and designs that perfectly match your existing decor or create a focal point that sound out. Sense of accomplishment. Creating your own wall art can be rewarding expression. Completing a DIY project gives you a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, knowing that you crafted something beautiful with your own hands. Unique and original. DIY wall art allows you to showcase your originality and create pieces that cannot be found anywhere else. It adds a touch of uniqueness to your space and spark conversation when guests admire your creativity. Stress relief and relaxation. Engaging in DIY activities like creating wall art can be form of stress relief and relaxation. It provides a therapeutic outlet for your creativity and allows you to focus on the present moment, giving you a break from the demands of daily life. Eco-friendly. DIY wall art encourages uncycling and reposing of materials, reducing waste and prompting sustainability. By transforming old or unused item into beautiful artwork, you contribute to a greener and more environmentally friendly lifestyle. Versatility. Modern DIY wall art ideas offer endless possibilities for experimental and exploration. From mixed media collages to abstract painting and geometric designs, you can explore various techniques and mediums to create unique pieces that suit your style. Home transformation. DIY wall art has the power of transform the look and feel of your home. It adds a personal touches, creates visual interest, and can instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Inspiration and creativity. Engaging in DIY wall art projects stimulates your creativity and inspire you to think outside the box. It encourages you to explore new techniques, experiment with different materials, and push the boundaries of your artistic abilities. Join the creative journey with me and let's explore the world of art and design together. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.